I was a realtor for 20 years. People think that realtors make a lot of money, and some do. The ones that do work very, very hard. Others work very, very hard at chasing customers and leads and commissions. Hey, I'm Lana, 60-year-old wife and mom of 2 grown sons. When I got into real estate, my children were little, and I got in with iron knuckles and an iron gut, and I was ready to conquer the world, and I did fine. The fact is, realtors make a small commission split. Sometimes nothing. Sometimes you work those evenings and weekends, hours and days, and the commission is zero. I thought being a realtor would provide me with more time with my children, and the fact is, if I wasn't away from them showing property or listing property, and if I was at home, I was on the phone or I was on the computer. I was not there for them mentally and spiritually. The fatigue and the stress finally caught up with me. By 2021, I had hit my wall. I was exhausted. I was done. It made me physically ill. And so I went in search of another way. Then I found digital marketing. Forbes magazine says that it is the highest paying remote job globally, 2 years running now. So there's plenty of room. It's a new field. It's a great opportunity. People in our community are making $200,000 and $300,000 a year. So I'm all about it. Who couldn't use that kind of money? Simplify your life, redesign your life. If this sounds like something you're interested in, if you're tired of chasing customers and leads and commissions, this could be it for you. Send me a message or comment ready, and I'll help you.